Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on SI Solvers. Please do subscribe because your support encourages us to make more new videos. Let's now start the video's topic. Division is one of the four basic operations that allows us to divide things, or in other terms, it is used to split into small equal groups, sections, etc. And the sign for division is division sign or obelisk sign in mathematical terms. Let's now study the parts of division. 50 divided by 5 is equal to 10. 50 is known as the dividend. 5 is known as the divisor. And finally, the answer you get is called the quotient, which means 10 is known as the quotient. The signs used here are division sign and equals. Sometimes there is something called as the remainder. For example, look at this problem given on the screen. Sometimes we get some remainings and they are known as remainders. We will get to know in the 2-digit sum and the 3-digit sum. Word problem example. Imagine you are a farmer. You sell fruits and vegetables to all the people in your town. So let us now focus on apples. You, who is a farmer, have 84 apples. How many apples can you distribute to 14 people? Let's solve. 84 divided by 14 is equal to, okay, it is actually quite simple. Put this position shown on the screen. It's quite different from the other four basic operations. Now, is 84 divisible by 14? Yes, you should always refer to tables when solving division. So in that case, 14 into 1 is equal to 14, not divisible. 14 into 2 is equal to 28, not divisible. 14 into 3 is equal to 42, it's not divisible. 14 into 4 is equal to 56, not divisible. 14 into 5 is equal to 70, not divisible. 14 into 6 is equal to 84. Yes, it is divisible. You distribute and the happy customers pay you and they go home. Solving 1-digit sum. 2 divided by 5978 is equal to, let's solve. The first digit of the dividend is 5, and since it is greater than 2, we can solve. So in the two tables, is there any 5? Let's find out. It is really important to know that the answer should be less than 5. 2 into 1 is equal to 2, not divisible. 2 into 2 is equal to 4, not divisible. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. The answer is greater than 5. So we should stop here. The only smallest is 4. We should write 2 to the quotient and 4 to the dividend place. It is always to remember that in division we should subtract or minus. So 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Keep 1 in the next line. Bring down the next number after 5, which is 9, near 1, which becomes 19. Let's see the two tables again. 2 into 7 is equal to 14, not divisible. 2 into 8 is equal to 16, not divisible. 2 into 9 is equal to 18, not divisible. 2 into 10 is equal to 20. It became bigger than 19. You know what that means. 18 is the answer. Keep 9 in the quotient since 2 into 9 gives 18. And now subtract 19 minus 18. The answer is 1 again. Keep 1 and bring down the next number. 7. Keep it near 1 and it becomes 17. Now in the two tables, 2 into 8 is equal to 16 is the only answer. So keep 8 in the quotient and subtract 16 from 17. It becomes 1 again. Hat-trick! 1 is repeated 3 times in a row. Keep 1 and bring down the next number. 8 becomes 18. Now we know the answer. 2 into 9 is equal to 18. Keep 9 in the quotient and 18 minus 18 is equal to 0. So the quotient is 2989. And since there is no remaining, the remainder is 0. There, we just solved a 1-digit sum. How to solve 2 digits? 43 divided by 47,826. Do the position shown on the screen, and since there are two digits in the divisor, pick the first two digits in the dividend, which is 47. It is obvious that the answer is 43 into 1 is equal to 43. So keep 1 in the quotient and subtract 43 from 47. You get 4 and keep the next number after 47. And this time only 1, which is 8. So it becomes 48. It is again obvious that 1 should be the quotient and 43 should be in the dividend. So do that and subtract 43 from 48 and you get 5. Put the next number down, which is 2, and it becomes 52 and same. It is obvious that 1 should be the quotient and 43 should be dividend. Oh, what do you know? A hat trick again. Subtract 43 from 52 and it becomes 9. Take down the next number 6 and it becomes 96. So 43 into 2 is equal to 86 will be the answer. So 96 minus 86 is equal to 10. So the quotient is 1112 and the remainder is 10. How to solve 3 digits? 457 divided by 5,748,394. Keep the position. Pick the first 3 numbers, which is 574. Since we are solving 3 digits, it is obvious that 1 should be the quotient. So put 1 and keep 457 574 minus 457 is equal to 117. Bring down the next number 8 down and it becomes 1178. 457 into 2 is equal to 914 and that is the least. So keep 2 in the quotient and subtract 914 from 1178 becomes 264. Bring down 3 becomes 2643. 457 into 5 is equal to 2285 will be the answer. So keep 5 in the quotient and subtract 2285 from 2643 becomes 358. Bring down the next number 9 becomes 3589. 457 into 7 is equal to 3199. So keep 7 in the quotient and subtract 3199 from 3589 becomes 390. Bring down the next 4 becomes 3904. 457 into 8 is equal to 3656. So 3904 minus 3656 gives 457. The quotient is 12,578 and the remainder is 457. Oh, what a coincidence! The divisor and the remainder are same. Great! You are now ready to solve division. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos on SI Solvers and see you next time.